Good morning, everyone. Today I'm gonna just do a video of me doing an oil change on my car. It's a 2015 Dodge Charger SXT V6. This is the way that I do it. I don't recommend you to follow the way that I do it. So this is how my car engine looks like right now. It's dirty. Hopefully I can clean it soon. So I'm gonna need some SAE 5W20 oil. Let's take the cap off. There we go. It's a 3.6 L, which is a V6. So this is the bolt that I need to remove. It's gonna be a it looks like a 14. I'm not sure. So I need to remove that one so the oil can come out. And I have this bucket right here, so the oil falls inside of it. And then from there I'm gonna pour it into an old oil can, engine oil can, so I could go recycle it at AutoZone. All right, let me take that off, and then we'll go from there. All right, so I had the oil taken out of it. It's really dirty, and this is the bolt that was inside of it, or that was holding the oil inside of the oil pan. And when I do my oil change, I like to open up this thing right here. That way the air can flow inside of it and all the oil comes out. Alright, so this is the oil I'm going to be using for it. It's STP for vehicles over 75,000, because mine has more than 75,000 miles in it. So this is the one I use. It's high mileage. It needs, I think it was 5.9 quarts. So I got this one too, small can. This is a 1 quart. And then I also got the oil filter, which is this one right here. Let me open it up so I can show you how it looks like. So it looks like this, brand new and everything. Alright, and then it has the, oh, right here. It has this little ring. Alright, so to be able to get to your oil filter, you need to take this little thing, this little cap off. That way you can access it. So I'm about to do that right now. I'm gonna change that, and then put the new oil filter in there, and then add the oil to it. Alright, so I was able to get it off. Let me see. Let's be twisting it right here. Alright. So this is how the old one looks like. It's very dirty. I'll put it back in there. Alright, so I'm gonna put the new one back in. This is how it's supposed to look like. So what I do is I put in this one first. Let me see. Alright, so there we go. This is a new one. This little plastic circle band. And this is the old one. It still looks good, but I like replacing them all at the same time. I replace the filter and this one too at the same time. That way everything's new. So then you grab your filter. It's supposed to be like this. So then this part goes inside like that. And it's supposed to look like this. So then this pointy, this little part right here that's pointy, it goes into that little small hole right there. So let me put it back inside. You just gotta make sure it's set evenly on all sides, and then you can start twisting it. I like to hand twist it first because since it's a plastic cap, if I use a tool it's gonna break. So I like using my hands first. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the bolt back in so I can put the new oil in. Alright, so I put it back in. I'm gonna put the new oil in. Alright. Okay. Alright, so I poured in all the old oil into here. That way I could take it to AutoZone. I have a couple of this ones already full, so I should be dropping them off soon. Yep. Alright, there we go. Alright, let me go reset the... Also, my tire pressure from my right side is on, but I think it's the tire pressure sensor that doesn't work no more. Alright, let me see. Where's my oil life? Okay, it says hold OK to reset. To reset oil life, engine must be off with ignition is on. Alright, let me do that. Alright, let me see. There we go. Reset it to 100% oil life. Now I'm gonna just turn it back on. Leave it on for a little while. I'm gonna get my RPMs to 2000. That way it can, the engine oil can flow. There we go. It should be good now.